Take a moment to check out the 2018 GMC Sierra. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Answer the call to drive boldly into the future. Modern styling, advanced safety and infotainment tech, and a suite of creature comforts are on board to make every drive secure, confident, and relaxing. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't miss the opportunity to enhance your driving pleasure while you take advantage of the latest advances in efficiency. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience.